Hi, welcome back. Today we'll discuss important file operation of the standard module. So, a standard module TBox automation in that file operation. In file operation, in last video we seen TBox image comparison, standard module importance and how to use in the Tosca and where to use that standard module in situation we will see. If you didn't see that video, I will put the link of that video in this video description. You can see it in after this. Okay, today we will discuss about TBox file compare. So we will discuss this standard module today. So for that I will go to the test case and I will create a here test case. Okay, create a test case. Okay, I will give name it for it file compare. Okay, now I will drag and drop this standard module to that particular test case. As usual, we already seen how to drag and drop in last video. As usual, I am doing here. Okay, I dragged and dropped to the okay. Now for file comparison, I need to give first file path, second file path. So for comparison of two file paths, okay, or two files. So for that I will click on this and I will click on this. Okay, it will come here. So I will go to downloads. Okay, I will compare these two files. Okay, these two files are different. So first I will consider this one file for both first and second path. I will consider this one and we will see what will be the result, and I will next first path I will put this one and second path I will put this one, and we will see what will become the output. Okay, I will choose first this one. This is the first path, and second path also I will choose that one because the similar files I am giving and the output should be pass and ticked with the green color. Okay, we will see it will came like that or not. Okay, I added the path for both and this is not necessary. Different output folders, so this is not necessary. I mean this is exceptional, so we'll see in coming days, so it's not that much important, so we'll see this both only now. Okay, I will run it in Scratchbook. Okay, see here green color, see here green ticked with the green color means files are identical, so test case will be passed. Which verification was successful. Expected value contents of this folder means this is a path of that folder and path of second folder are identical, so means the both are same. Now I will put the path of the first same and I will change the path of the second file, so that to this one. Okay, now the both file path are different and both files are different, contents of that files are different, so we will run the test case in Scratchbook. We will see what is the output of it should be a red color, ticked with the red color, and test case should be failed because both are not identical, so we will see with practical. Okay, see here red color. See here red color means the test case is failed. Why? Because the both files are not identical. Verification has failed. The expected value contents of this path and this path are not identical. Okay, that's why it's failed. Okay, this much only. So next video we will discuss some more important file operations, that is TBox delete files, TBox copy files, and okay, TBox file existence, how to make zip files, how to rename or create the files. These are all standard modules we will see in the coming videos. So until that, keep learning, keep enjoying. We'll meet again with the next video. Until that, bye bye.